Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by adding a helper column next to column A. Enter this pattern in C2 so you can copy down. Equals if A2 equals. If, countif, $B, $2, $B, $100, A2, 0, duplicate. This checks each a value against the entire B range. Once done, you'll see duplicate for matches. Make sure ranges cover all current rows, and use absolute dollar signs so the copied formula stays anchored. This first step flags all entries found in B. Once you flagged against B, repeat the process for B so both sides are transparent. In D2 use, equals if B2 equals. If, countif $, $2, $, 100, B2 0, duplicate, and copy down. This marks B values that exist in A. If you prefer one formula that autofills, wrap countif inside array formula and place it in the header row. Nevertheless, manual copy works fine. Now you can sort or filter by the helper columns to group all duplicates together for review. To finish, filter both helper columns for duplicate and take action delete, highlight, or move rows. If matches seem wrong, make sure both columns are normalized. Use trim A2 and lower A2 inside countif so spaces and case don't block matches. Also check your absolute ranges. If new rows aren't included, expand $B, $2, $B, $100, or use $B, $2, $B to cover future entries. A single troubleshooting tip. If duplicates still miss, copy-paste values after.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.